Hello my dear colleague, in this video I will show you how to fill your mark inside the system and also your pedagogical information. After intro, let's get started. Okay, first of all, it is important to note that you can also use your phone, your smartphone, to open the application. Please don't use Choronko. Now I'm using computer. If you are using computer like me, you open the web browser. In the computer we have many web browser, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and so on, even Google Chrome if you want. Now let's use Mozilla Firefox. I'll type the address of the application. The address of the application is this one, belvista.com lb Mbanga-Pongo. So it means that here is the address to open the platform. Okay, I can also send this address through WhatsApp. If you use the phone, you click directly on the address to open the application. So when the time comes, I will send you this address. Let's suppose that I paste this one here. Okay, so it means that here is the address to open the platform. Now when I type the address to the web browser, I press on enter button. The application can reach to the login page. Here is the login page. I'll tap my login to enter into the system. Let's suppose that I'm the teacher called Mr. Teko. You are identifiant. First of all, you can also translate the application in English. If you like English, you come here and translate the application. I choose English. Now let's continue to type Mr. Teko in capital letter. I log in. Okay, when the application reach to the home page like that, automatically the report card module is load. Now everything is in French, so I can now translate the application here. Choose English. When you choose English like that, automatically the application must be translated in English. So you mean that here is now report card, type the evaluation mark, type the pedagogical information. All thing is now in English. So now the first thing is to update my profile. I come here, open account, and now complete my profile. Okay, grad, category professional. You can fill. After fill this one, you can also fill your pedagogical information, update your pedagogical data. So Mr. Teko is the man who teach physics in Form 2, physics in Form 4, Form 3. Now in Form 2, let's take an example. In Form 2, the number of lessons done in all the year, let's suppose that is 45 lessons in all year. Now let's subdivide this one. The first term I can do 25, the second term I can do 20. No, let's take 15, and now 5 in the last term. Here is the prevision that I suppose that for the total number of lessons, I subdivide it in 3 in such a way that the total can give 45. Now, number of hour, let's suppose that is 50 hours per year. Let's maybe is 22 first term, 18 and 5. Number of TP that must I must done for all here is 3. Let's put 2 in the first term, 1 in the second term, and now 0. So you can do this one for all the classes that you teach. You must see all the classes that you teach here, and you fill all this one. If you want, you also fill your day that you enter in school and the number of hours done per day. After that, you can now change your password, your default password, in such a way that everybody doesn't know enter in your account. After do this, you click to in register. You can also click here, is the same. It's better to click in the register up there like that. When you finish, you can now fill your mark. Here is Form 2 Physics first term. I click just here, type the evaluation mark, and begin the work. Is easy to fill. It's very easy. You see automatically, if the student have 12.5, you put 12.5, not 12,5. It's easy. It's easy automatically. If you fill the mark greater than 20, the system can block you. Okay, now when you finish, you click just here to in register. Okay, so it's easy now. After finish, you click here to the connection. It's very easy to fill your mark inside the same. But now, first of all, try to fill your pedagogical information. This one is forever to help you to produce statistics automatically. Thank you for your kind attention. Next time.